The pharma manufacturing process can be complex with an intricate sequence of steps that may span several days. There is a growing need for an integrated solution to predict expected yield at the start of and during the manufacturing process so that appropriate interventions may be taken to optimize the yield. Our solution for manufacturing yield predictions analyzes historical data to identify the yield drivers. A wide assortment of variables can impact the yield. These include the varying properties of raw materials and hundreds of production process parameters. You can assess the influence of each and every variable on yield by choosing to view the outcome from the Univariate Analysis. You can also see the graphical trend of the relationship of the variable with yield over time. The solution leverages multivariate modeling as well as AI/ML-based algorithms to predict the yield for a batch at different stages in the manufacturing process. You can choose the date range for training the model and then trigger the analysis. The model gets trained on your historical manufacturing data and captures the nuances of your specific manufacturing process. Let us now use the model to predict the yield from a batch. The solution displays the duration of historical data used for training the model as well as the mean absolute percentage error obtained from model validation to provide an indication of the accuracy that can be expected from the model. Choose a batch and a model version and click on Submit. The solution provides the yield predictions for the selected batch. You have the option to evaluate the performance of the model on an ongoing basis to track the prediction accuracy. Select a date range, the applied model, the batches of interest, and the KPI to see how accurate were the yield predictions for these batches. Try our manufacturing yield prediction solution today and experience significant improvement in manufacturing yield and overall batch profitability. Try our integrated and comprehensive analysis solution today to get a significant boost to your lab's productivity.